Established in 1987, New Directions Aromatics Inc. leads the market as a wholesale supplier of herbal oils. With suppliers all over the world, they source all their products from organic growers and distillers, making them free from pesticides or chemical fertilizers. The problem: visibility and management of their inventory at their warehouse needed improvement. Overall efficiency of warehouse operations suffered due to the lack of automation within the old system. The solution: one platform across marketing, sales, finance, warehouse, and human resources. Single sign-on and a mobile, modern, easy-to-use system that forecasts production and purchasing, which helped them identify new potential customers along with keeping track of customers' needs. Focus also integrated directly with their e-commerce platform and automated its various processes internally. The results: New Directions Aromatics was able to grow their business, improve operations, enhance customer service, and reduce admin overflow into their HR department. They achieved this because of the improved accuracy of their inventory with an automated and integrated ERP, WMS, and CRM. Focus Softnet offers companies like New Directions Aromatics Inc. AI-powered automation. Bring your business data to life through voice-activated commands, reporting, data entry, and tasks powered by voice, with fast implementations and hundreds of integrations.